Okay, so we have here a nice setup of the title block for your layout. Now, this was done by going over the layout tab. So hover over the tab that you want to set up. You right click and select Page Setup Manager. So you can also type Page Setup Manager as the command, but it's easy to right click and just select Page Setup Manager. Okay, and then these are the different layout tabs, so you can still change the layout tab that you want to change, and then you click Modify. Here you want to set first your printer. So we have here our printer. Select the printer that you want to use, and then make sure that that printer is able to print an 11 by 17 paper or 279 by 432 in millimeters. And then select tabloid. I find tabloid the best for an 11 by 17 print. And then make sure you select layout, what to plot. So you can plot the display, whatever you're displaying, or the extent of your drawing or a window. You can window an area that you want to print. I find layout best because I'm printing my layout tab or the paper. Okay, so since this is metric, I'm going to choose millimeter. If this is imperial, I would have chosen inches. Okay, so select millimeter, and since I'm plotting the paper itself, I'm printing it at 1:1. Okay, so here you're scaling the layout, not your drawing. So this is 1:1. So you're saying print the whole paper, which is your tabloid size paper. That's why you're printing it in full scale. Make sure you have ArtCTB selected. ArtCTB simply has this table. So if you edit this, you'll see that color 1, which is red, is assigned to be printed in black with a specific line weight. You can view the table here and you can see the different colors we normally use for our standard colors 1 to 9. Okay, so colors 1 to 9 will all print in black. Notice that the rest of the colors will print using their color object, which is nice because if you use this color 10, it will actually print in our school printer in gray tone, which is nice because that gray tone can actually be something that you can use to make your drawing look a lot better. And I have here in our CAD standard all those gray tone colors. So you can see here chroma gray. If you use the different colors, it will actually print this way. So colors 1 to 9 will print in black. Actually, this one is showing gray, but that will print in black. If you print it using the color object color, it will print this way. So there are different tones of colors which you can use for hatching, right? To make your drawings pop out. And you can definitely use all these different colors. Okay. So if you want something darker, choose something along this line, but not as dark as black. If you want something lighter, you can choose any colors along this line, which I'll show you later. Okay. So those are the different colors and the different line weights. So you see here color 1 will print at 0.13, color yellow at 0.5, color green at 0.13 as well. Cyan is the thickest, is zero point 0.7. You can definitely assign any line weights here. This is just our standard color and line weight assignment. So color 5 or blue is zero point 0.5, magenta is 0.25, color 7, which is white. Sometimes it's white, sometimes it's black, depending on your background, will be 0.25, and color 8 will be 0.05, and color 9 is 0.09. Okay, so oops, what did I do? I think I said cancel. So let me double check. Printer, tabloid, yeah, everything looks good. Display plot style. Make sure you check this so that your ArchCTB plot style will appear or show. Plot line, object line weight, yes. Now plot transparency. Some use transparency, like you make your black gray or have some transparency. Then you can select plot transparency. Plot with plot styles, yes. Plot paper space last, yes. Hide paper space. You don't want this checked because you do want to print your title block, which is in paper space. So remember, anything inside this viewport is in model space. Outside of that is in paper space. It's like you're drawing on the paper. Okay, we're plotting using the landscape format, so that's good. Always check for a preview so that you see exactly what you will get. And once you're happy with what you are seeing by way of plot, then you can right click and say exit and click on OK to accept your settings and close. Okay, so again, you can always select a object and you can change the color here. You can select the different colors that I've shown you earlier. You can say more color, and this is the table of colors swatches that I have shown you earlier. So you can choose any of this for a gray tone plot. Okay, so that's how you set up your paper or page.